Hi, this is a quick guide for a Volcano pedicure at Lux Nail Lounge. Please clip off the ends of the packages you're going to use so they're ready when you need them. Pour package number 1. Then pour package number 2, activator. This should give you a nice bubbling effect on the water. At this point, your jets should be off. Start your regular pedicure with all your regular steps. Make sure to open up a new package of tools in front of your customers every time. Once the bubbling effect has subsidized, now you're ready to turn the jets on. You may continue with package number 3, scrub. Massage the legs and feet with the scrub. When you're ready with the scrub, just rinse it off. Package number 4, mask. Go ahead and apply the mask and massage it really good into the legs and feet. This should be a really good massage. When you're done with the mask, you may bring 2 hot towels. Wrap them around the leg, pat them a little bit, and you're ready to wipe off the mask. Make sure you clean the bottom of the feet too. Step number 5, lotion. Apply the lotion and start your massage with the hot stones. Next step, you're going to get the paraffin. You're going to put it in the bags, bring them over, and put them on. Make sure your wax is spread evenly. There's no need to cover up the bags. This way, the paraffin should cool off and get hard. Now will be a perfect time to check on your customer, make sure they're comfortable, and go clean. Your stones, you can wash them and you can dry them up. Make sure there's no residues from the lotion. Put them back into the pot. Take off the bags with the paraffin and wipe off the feet. Make sure you wipe the bottom of the feet really well so they're not oily and they won't be slippery so they cannot fall. Fold your towel so you get a fresh towel. Spray the toenails with alcohol. Then use acetone to make sure you wipe off all the oil residues to make sure your polish will stick on well. As a final step, just apply a little bit of oil so the skin will look shiny.